Hello, in this video I'm going to take you through how to move stock directly from one store to another. So stay tuned and follow through. So if you want to move stock from one store to another, you'll come to products, then you click on move stock and it will land you into this particular page. So assumptions: for this to happen, you must have registered all the stores. That means the stores which you want to interact with. They can also be branches or selling points. Assumption number 2: items must have been redistributed onto all these particular stores. That means the 2 stores which you want to interact with in this particular section must have the items redistributed to them. So I want to move some particular items. I'll visit first the item profile, open that in a new tab, and I'll take this particular soda. I'll view it. So if I come to store distribution, I know my soda is already here, redistributed in the main store and of course the selling store. The stock balance here is 145 and the stock balance in the selling store is 0. So I'll come to, of course, products, move stock, and I'll select from which store do I want to do this, and ensure that you follow this particular procedure procedurally. Right? That means you can't come here and start selecting an item before you select the stores above here. So I'll come here, select a moving soda from main store, and of course I'll be moving into the selling store, soda 500 ml, and it will automatically display the quantities. So I'll be moving 10. So JiPOS version 3 and higher versions comes with this particular feature called multiple movement of stocks. That is direct multiple movement of stock. That means I can add several items here. That is the first thing that version 3 comes with. And version 3 also comes with this particular aspect. Whenever you select an item, let me say I select that is an error. This is what I was telling you before. You cannot move items before you do the redistribution. That is why I said assumption is that these particular items have been redistributed. Let me pick another item. Let me say Minute Maid. Yeah. So this will be moved successfully. Why? Because JiPOS version 3 and higher versions come with this particular feature as well, whereby the moment I select an item, it will display me the stock balance in that particular main store. So if I'm moving from main store to selling store, then it will display me the stock balance once I select that particular item. I can add the quantity and of course write any notes. So I'm just going to have my soda. I'm going to delete that and I'm going to move 10. Successfully moved from main store to the selling store. So once you see that success message, that means that particular process is complete and I can be able to see the movements here. That is the direct movements that are posted in this particular table just below that particular form. I can even filter the direct movements that I've made over a given period of time and even print through PDF. So this is something that you can of course also use just in case you want to know which items have been moved over a given period of time. You can get that, print it in PDF or download it, save it as PDF. So that is how to move stocks directly in version 3. That is from one store to the next store. Assumptions remain. Just to give you a recap, the stores must be registered, item redistribution must have already been done, and if you don't do those, then this will fail. And of course you cannot also move the stocks that are not available. So if I wanted to move stocks like we saw that was 145, I cannot move 146 or 150. I can only move what is available in that particular main store to the next store. So if I come to my item, come to the item profile and I refresh, you'll see the main store balance is 135 and the selling store balance is 110, is 10, not 110, it's 10. So that is how to do direct movement in JiPOS version 3. Thank you.